Hi Bessie, welcome to my page. In today's video, it's an unboxing of Cloth and Papers July Intention subscription box. So if you're a planner, you love unboxings, you're into subscriptions, then this video just might be for you guys. So let's get into the things to see exactly what I got in this intention box. Hi Bestie, welcome to my page. This is an unboxing of Cloth and Papers July 2025 Meal Planning Routine Intention Subscription Box. This will be like a silent unboxing, and I'll let you know at the end what my favorite items are and what I plan to utilize. If you receive this intention box this month, please let me know in the comments and let me know what's your top 3 items out of the box. And if you didn't get the box, comment as well if there's anything that stood out that you would like or that you found that you could find useful. Okay guys, let's go ahead and open these things up so you can see what I actually got. And the size that I got is CP Petite. I tried to change it to half letter, dismount, or a Happy Planner Classic, but I think I changed my mind so many times that I was unable to change it from CP Petite. Okay, so let's go on and get into the things. Okay, so that is everything that came in the July 2025 meal planning routine cloth and paper intention subscription box. So overall, I would say my number one item will most definitely be the mini eclipse set. When I saw on social media, that was the first thing that grabbed my attention. I was like, oh my gosh, that will look absolutely perfect in my folio. And actually having it in hand and I'm doing the unboxing, that still is my number one choice. So number two, surprisingly, I do like the pen. Surprisingly. Because typically, if you're new here, you might not know, I really don't care for the pens that's in the cloth and paper subscription box, but I can say the one that I received last month and then this pentel stylo pen, absolutely love it. So guys, so cloth and paper, thank you so much for finally having some pens that I actually like. Because I'm a pen snob, guys, and I'm real picky with my pens. But I can say I do like the pen. Not sure, I do like, Tombow brand, but not sure if I would use the highlighter. Not sure about that. But I absolutely love the Eclipse. Absolutely love that. And this is one of the reasons why I wanted to add it to my folio because it goes with the aesthetic. And for some reason this year, guys, I have been in awe of the green aesthetics. I really have been. So let me see. Is there a third? Okay, the third item I would say that I like. I would say the tracker insert. Well, is that the tracker insert? No, it's the fold out planner insert, the habit fold out planner insert. And I do like these I do like these stickers right here as well. I like the page pins. But I would say the number three items out of this box is most definitely the Eclipse set, the pen, and the habit tracker. I absolutely been into a thing with the habit trackers this year, so I'm excited about that. And I would definitely purchase the foldable habit tracker in a different size. So before the subscription went through, I had changed my size for my subscription box from half letter disc to Happy Planner Classic. Then I think last time I did it was a CP Petite. But then I tried to go back again to change it anyway allow me. And I totally forgot to contact Cloth and Paper customer service to change my size. But that's fine. It works well with this planner. And if I need to purchase additional items, I definitely would do that. So right now I'm just seeing how do I want to lay or place the items in my CP Petite folio. I utilize this system as a cash envelope system right now. So just seeing, and I'll probably add the other inserts into my other cloth and paper. I'll probably end up adding it to my lizard folio. Well, let me know your thoughts in the comments about the July 2025 Intention subscription box. And thank you so much for joining me today in today's unboxing. Please like, share, and subscribe. Toodles.